Hello and welcome. One of the first things you're going to do, assuming that your product is going to be digital, is to set up your digital product. And inside of System, that's going to happen inside of the Assets area. And your digital product is primarily going to be called in System a course, even if you're not necessarily teaching what you are delivering. Even if what you're delivering is a download, you're going to deliver it in the Courses area. You're going to click on Courses. Once you set up your course, you can then set up modules. And module is just a separation area. For example, you'll see here that this is a module. If we click inside of that module has a lecture. So when you want to add in a separator or you want to start with a separator, you are typically going to need to start with a module and click on Add Module. Now in this particular case, we added the module Theory. Once we have the module Theory, we can then add in a lecture. Once we add in a lecture, we can choose a specific template and we can add in a specific lecture. Now, a lecture doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to have audio or video content. All it really means is that this is going to be the separation point within a specific module. So we have here now is we have a module. We also have a lecture. We're going to click on video training. That's going to open up into the editing screen. All of the content in this area is going to be editable. In some cases, it may be faster for you to delete everything. In other cases, you may just want to edit the text and to use the actual template. So if you just want to delete all the content, you click inside of here and you can change the content. However, if you want to start deleting some of the blocks and you hover over them, you can delete this entire text box. We're going to stop the process here and we're going to pick it up from this point of customizing the digital product.